In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and sign a PDF in DocHub. We'll start by opening your file. Head over to DocHub.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look for your document in My Documents and click it to open right away. If your file is on your computer, choose New, then Upload File and select it from your device. Prefer working from the cloud? You can import directly from Google Drive or Dropbox, paste a direct URL, or pull the file from Gmail. As soon as it loads, your PDF will open inside the DocHub editor, so there's no need to download extra software. If you're working with a large file, give it a moment to process. A stable internet connection helps the editor feel snappy, and you can use the zoom controls if any page looks small or hard to read. Next, let's use the editing toolbar on the left to add or edit text. Click the Text tool, then click anywhere on the PDF where you want your text to appear. A text box will pop up. Just start typing. Use the settings to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so your text blends well with the document. Align left, center, or right depending on the form's layout. If you need to reposition the text, drag the box to the exact spot. To resize it, drag from a corner. This keeps proportions looking clean. Aim for a font size and color that match the original document. Black is usually best for forms. If you're filling in tight spaces, zoom in for precision and use your arrow keys to nudge the text box by small increments without overshooting the line. Now let's add your signature. Click Sign in the toolbar. You'll see three options: draw, type, or upload an image of your signature. Drawing works well with a mouse or trackpad. Use a steady motion for a smooth look. Typing your name offers a professional, consistent style when you prefer a clean digital signature. Uploading lets you use a scanned signature. A clear image with a transparent background looks most natural. After you choose your method, click to place the signature on the page, typically on or just above the signature line. Resize it so it's not oversized, then position it carefully. If it's not perfect, simply drag to adjust or delete and try again. And that's all you need. You've opened your PDF, added clear, well-formatted text, and applied a professional signature using DocHub's editor. Practice these steps a couple of times, and you'll be able to prepare polished documents in minutes.